In this demo, we'll look at the way F5 BigIP provides granular traffic control and policy enforcement for S3 data delivery. Frequently, AI training and fine-tuning workloads can cause a spike in requests per second, causing performance and stability issues that can cascade and affect other AI workloads. Here, I want to demonstrate how we can use the web-based Warp S3 benchmarking GUI to send high request per second workloads to our MinIO cluster. Front-ended by the F5 BigIP LTM and using built-in analytics, we can quickly see the spike in cluster 1 connections. One of the great things about BigIP is that it offers flexible data plane controls. First up, I'll start with iRules, event-driven scripts that enforce policies, shape traffic, and protect storage from surges. Here's an iRule that caps connections once a threshold is reached. We attach it to the virtual server in front of the MinIO cluster. Multiple iRules can be layered for advanced logic if needed. Back in the LTM dashboard, connections drop immediately to the configured limit. The policy holds requests per second in check, stabilizes the cluster, and prevents any negative impact on other AI jobs. Another example of granular control is traffic steering in specific types of scenarios like migrations. Here, we can surgically redirect the traffic for a specific bucket, leaving all other requests unchanged. Using a BigIP local traffic policy, we match the bucket via URI path, such as /bucket A or host header, and forward those requests to a different pool representing cluster 2. With our simulated S3 workflow running, we apply the migration policy to the same virtual server. The redirect takes effect instantly at the data plane. In the BigIP application study tool, we can look at the active pool connections. The green line, bucket A to cluster 1, drops to 0, while the yellow line, bucket A to cluster 2, increases accordingly. We can now generate traffic for buckets A, B, and C, and we can now see that cluster 1 resumes serving requests to buckets B and C, while cluster 2 continues to handle all of bucket A exactly as intended. BigIP enables policy-driven loose coupling for AI data delivery, letting you steer traffic by business rules and execute risk-managed transitions without changing client endpoints or rewriting applications.